Hi guys, how you doing? I am going to put the 3 things on this bike that I mentioned in my last video. I just can't decide whether to give it a wash first because you know that's a whole ordeal, probably going to take me about 2 hours. Okay, let's just give it a wash. Alright guys, let's get the bike out. Ooh, it's a little bit too close to my husband's, but I'm sure it'll be fine. I hope this microphone isn't too close to my mouth as well, but we'll soon know if it is or not when I get through to edit this video. Alright guys, yeah, let me just tell you the difference in the weight distribution from this 2024 CVO Road Glide ST compared to my 2021 Road Glide Special. It's like night and day. I'm 5'7", and you can see when my feet are on the footboards, you can see where my knee is. You can also see the bend in my legs. I do have long legs though, so maybe, you know, that helps. But totally flat-footed, I feel in complete control of the bike, as you can see. Really easy to maneuver. All right, let's get it sorted out. So these are the new mirrors that I've had them for a while actually. They are the Mini Stoker forged mirror from Arlen Ness. I've already opened it. I think they're really nice, but I have been told that they just look too small and they're not going to look good on the bike. You can see what they look like. I really like them. So let me take you over to the Lowrider S because I have the bigger ones that are like the matte black on there. I think they kind of look too big on there. Let me know in the comments what you think. Can you actually see that? Yeah, I think you can see it there. And then that's the other one in comparison. So a little sleeker looking. I think they look kind of like really cool racing mirrors, but we shall see what they look like now. So that's the first thing that's going to go on. Let me take you a little closer to the bike, and then this is easy peasy. We'll get these on straight away. So I am being super careful to take this off, not because I think I'm going to damage anything on the bike, but I think I'm going to damage my nails that I actually painted this morning. I don't even know why I did that. I should have just waited. Anyway, this is more important. Okay, so that came off super easy. I am just screwing this into the base of the mirror. I'll tighten that up later. I'm going to take that silver nut off there and thread it through, and then I'm going to hopefully use the black nut so it hides the bottom of it. Okay. I mean, they do, oh, there you go. All right, it looks pretty nice. So they definitely do look small, and I think that might need to move a little as well so it goes more out. I'm not sure, but I shall figure that when everything's tightened up. I want you guys to tell me, just by putting it on really loosely, I'm going to move it around, tell me if that one looks better than that one. So we have that one, that is the big old Harley Davidson one, and then we have, we have this one, which is the smaller Arlen Ness one. I don't think I've actually got them set out properly, so I'm going to figure that out now. Okay guys, take 2. I had the mirror folded inwards. So I want you to take another look at it now. That's what it looks like when it's opened up properly. I kind of like it in comparison to the big old Harley Davidson one. So I really want your input, so please let me know. I'm going to keep them on, probably with everything else that's going on, and then I'm going to take it for a ride and see how I feel, because of course, you know, I want to stay safe. I want to be able to see what's going on. Right now, I think they look really good actually. All right, let's put the other one on. So I've got this little beauty from Clockworks. My last bike had a Memphis shades on, and I still kept that. I absolutely loved it. So I'm going to open the box up and show you this. I'm sure you probably know what it is anyway, or what it looks like. So you know that I like black and red. Take a guess. Oh my goodness. The quality on this is amazing. I did open it, but I didn't take the protective layer off it. But I think you can see there. I think it's going to look really cool. I do like the Harley Davidson one though, right? I'm definitely going to keep that, and I may just switch this on and off when I feel like it. But I think for Daytona Bike Week, given the way the bike looks, I think it's going to look great. All right, let's get it on. So this is easy peasy. I'm just going to loosen all of these. And I'm hoping that I can use the Harley Davidson hardware, because I know somebody mentioned that the hardware on the Clockworks wasn't so amazing, so let's see if I can use this one. I think you have to use the Clockworks hardware, so let's see how that goes. Ooh, okay, ready to fit it. Ooh, it's so nice. Actually, I think it's pretty cool. So I'll let you guys have a proper look at it when I have fastened it on. Yeah, actually, I really like it. So happy. This was on a wait list as well. I had to wait for this for a while. So as soon as it came back in stock, I snagged it super quick. It'll be interesting to see the difference in the Memphis shades and this one and how it works. All right, let's get it on. I'm gonna move you closer to the windshield now, just on that angle. Right, you can see, I'm going to take it back off. It's pretty easy to install. I've added a little bit of tape just to keep the like the mounts on here, and make sure if you're going to get one of these that you do look at the instructions, because the mounts have left and right on them, and if you put it on the wrong way like I did before, thinking that I didn't need the instructions, you'll see why it says left and right. Alright, so you know what, I'm going to take that off now. And at first I didn't really like the look of this, but I think when it's all fastened up, I think it's going to look really good. So I'm a bit nervous to push this into here. And I've already trashed my nails, so it looks like I'll be doing those later. So let's get this in here properly. Ooh. I think it's inevitable. Fingerprints all over everything, so it doesn't look too lined up. I think I'm gonna cut that one in first and then push this one down. Yeah, okay. And make sure you put the tape on top, because if you don't, you're gonna be fishing at the sides here to get it off, whereas now I can just take it and pull it off from the top. All right, let's get the screws in. So I'm not sure if you can see, let me hold it like that. You can see where it says the L there. You've definitely got to make sure that you place them on the right side of the bike. Oh yeah, and remember to change the direction on your ratchet, because if not, oh gosh, that's tight. I don't want to do it too tight, because I don't want to, I think that's tight enough. Ooh, I like it already. Okay. Cleaned a little bit under there actually, but never mind. So I decided not to wash the bike. I just want to get everything on it, and then I think what I'll do, I'll wash it tomorrow. And I might do another video actually. I'll show you what I use to keep this bike looking really nice. Okay, I think that's tight enough. Perfect, wasn't so bad. And remember, see now I can just pull the tape off. Make sure you put it at the top so you can easily take it off. So I'm not going to walk you around it just yet, because I have one more thing to put on the bike. Okay, I can take these off now. Right, one more thing to put on. I bet you guys thought it was pipes as well, didn't you? No, it's not pipes. Let me take you around here. So like I said, all very cosmetic. And did you guess it's this? I've kept this on since riding the bike out of the dealership, and it's now time to take it off. And I'm going to link everything down below as to where I got the stuff from. I'm pretty excited to get this on actually. I think I showed it on one of my Instagram stories one time, but that's gone now, so I'll link it down below, and then maybe you want to get yourself one. Do you know, some things are just so annoying. No, I even forgot that I bought these. Now I know I'm going off from what I'm doing, but I bought these at Allen Ness also, and they're to go on the Lowrider S, so that's for another video. And I'm not doing install videos really, because, I mean, everybody knows how to put a windshield on. Okay, found it. It's this little carbon fibre license plate holder, and it's exactly the same matte forged carbon fibre as the tips on the pipes and the back of the seat and the centre of the tank. The only thing that I wish is that I would have found one that was more covered here, because I hate the way that looks. But, you know, what can you do? Unless you guys know of a different company that does that, please let me know in the comments, because this was cheap as chips, and it's really nice carbon fibre. You guys don't really want to watch me doing this because, again, super easy. So did you think I was going to put pipes on? Like I've said before, the pipes, it's not a Harley until you change the pipes. I mean, how can that be right? And I get it, you know, they have to comply with regulations and law. But I have to say, these pipes, this is the first bike that I've had where I haven't changed the pipes the minute I've actually put my name down for it and paid for it. I thought, you know what, I'm not going to do it, I'm just going to see how I feel. And for a while it felt like I wasn't even riding the bike, because you do like to hear loud pipes. But as I've gone by, I think I'm just going to get 2 more black bolts to go in there. As I've gone by and I've been on it a little bit more, I've actually got used to it. And I like the look of the pipes, that's why I've not changed them. Alright, I'm going to zoom you in so you can have a look. Looks a lot better than that, even though I love Peterson's. Let me zoom you in and tell me what you think. Can you see it's just a very simple, dainty, forged matte carbon fibre, and it matches completely the other carbon fibre accents on the bike. So I'm pretty pleased with that. I'll link it below. It was so cheap. If you know of one that has like more coverage here, please let me know in the comments. So let me walk you around it. Excuse the big truck in the way. First off are the mirrors, and you can see the windscreen. I really think it looks great. So remember, I want some comments down below. Let me know what you think. And that's the mirrors, close up. I've checked them, and perfect vision, because I know the reason Harley Davidson do put the bigger mirrors on are for as far as the safety aspect goes. I'm super happy with it, all ready for Daytona Bike Week. Let me take you around the front again so you can have a look. And I just think the red of the windshield is absolutely perfect with the red accents on the bike. Now I have kept the original windshield because I do like it, and it does have the 25th anniversary on it, so I want to keep that in case I want to switch it out or whenever I sell the bike, which in all honesty I just can't ever see me selling this bike. I really can't. I absolutely love this bike. What do you think? And what do you think about the windshield? I think it looks absolutely perfect. Let me know if you have one of these. I know it's one of the newer ones. I think it's called the Sport Flare, the colour Sport Flare, something like that. I'll link it all down below anyway, but let me know what you think. I'm very, very happy, and yeah, super happy. Who's going to Daytona? Let me know. And if you see me there, give me a wave and maybe come on over and have a drink. It's just going to be such a great time. I'm going on the last weekend, which I know everybody else is. So yeah, super happy with my bike. See you in Daytona, and take care guys. See you on the next one. Bye.